Hello, my name is Qaiser, and today I'm going to discuss about my process, about how I achieved this website design. And basically, my project is about the people who are facing some visual impairments, and I want to address the issue that there are a lot of students that who want to learn the 3D animation, but they cannot learn due to the lack of accessible option that can help those students to understand the process of 3D, which is a first step for the student who are facing some visual impairments. And the name of the website is Accessible 3D. For the project, I took a lot of inspiration from the existing website because uh, to perform this kind of website, you need a proper research work and a lot of existing examples that you can follow, and you have to follow all the website guidelines for the colors, and that is it a perfect match, uh, for example, like accessibility website in which you can put your colors on it and see that is it perfect from every angle, that it's gonna work for the students that we are making website. So after doing all of the technical research work for the website design, I did a logo design for it, which you can see on the screen right now. And it's basically a box with uh, written on alphabet in small letters. Basically, I want to show the 3D accessible feature, like it's a box which is now open. Before it was not open, and now it's open, like you can access whatever it has. So it just directly links to the concept of the website. And I want to make it as simple as much possible because most of the students are facing bright light issues, like high contrast issues. Like it's very difficult for them to differentiate between the bright color and dark color due to low vision problem also. So that's why I make it pitch black and pure white. And after the logo, I started working on the UI UX designing. And the best thing is that after searching a lot of website, like hundreds of website, and all of these website that I have used for inspiration, the best thing that I have found is that there is literally no difference between the UI UX design. The main difference is the color, and my second finding is that it's the text. Like what type of text do you use? And I have some mentioned some text that are widely used for the accessible website, which I also followed it, and I used all of those text in my website design. And so after the research work for the UI UX, I just wanted to make a design on the software. So for the software, I choose Photoshop and Illustrator, and I have also created an animation of it because I'm not a programmer. So I created an animation on the After Effects, which we will discuss in later part of the video. First, I created the basic layout of the website on Illustrator because there is a reason to it. Uh, because whenever you try to work on the animation, because there are a lot of zoom in and zoom out, without the Illustrator file, when you're zooming in, it gets blurred, it gets pixelated. So to avoid that problem, I just created a basic layout in Illustrator, and all of the content writing and some image editing I done it on Illustrator. And there are some four variants that I have make, which like for the black one is for high contrast problem, like with the low vision people who cannot see clearly, and for the yellow and the blue one is for the colorblind people who are, that is very difficult for them to differentiate between the blue and yellow color. And after that, I have created a fourth one, which is for the people who have a lot of brightness issues in their eyes, and there's a problem which is known as a fear of light, because normally we are seeing on the screen, but for them it's like light of a sun is coming out of screen. So that's why, to avoid it, I just did a gray background with a light gray text. So, and also the images are also be toned down to avoid this problem. So that's why I made this variant also, to avoid the problem. And after it, I created an animation of it, and for the animation I used After Effects software. And basically there are three files that I worked on, because if we talk about the technical part of the animation, I used a null object to zoom in and zoom out. Because if you try to zoom in, like to make the image bigger, you just use a scalar option in the animation. That I want to discuss right here now is about the main feature of the website, which is the accessibility tab. That you can see that you can increase the font size, decrease the font size, change the color of the website. Like if you're a colorblind, let's go for the yellow blue. If you are a person who has a fear of light issue, just choose the fear of light issues. And now you can easily understand and learn the object and learn the 3D animation. And after that, the second thing that I want to discuss here about, as you can see in the animation, that I have created a interactive video in which you can easily see that there are a lot of option came on the top left corner of the video. Uh, Basically, it's a concept that whatever you are learning, whatever you are seeing, it's very difficult to see the side icons, to the side icons. And so like these are all the things that why I created the website. But beside this, in the end, I just want to say that choosing this project was very important for me, because in every assignment I see myself that what I can do more for the society. So I think it's also our moral duty to identify the problems in our society. And this makes sense, and done a lot of hard work, and hope you will like it. Thank you very much for listening.